to take a few minutes and show you how to use one of my favorite products, the Veggie Spiralizer. And this is one of those products that I use several times a week. So if you're trying to reduce carbs, eat more veggies, this will be a great tool to do that. So the Veggie Spiralizer stores just like this. It comes with a blade that's stored in its own little case. So with the blade, there are two sizes, two widths, and with no blade, that allows a third width of noodle. So what I'm going to do is put the middle blade, which is called fettuccine. I'm going to put the fettuccine blade in here, and we are going to spiralize a zucchini. Now what I'll do is I will take the ends off and probably cut a piece about 4 inches tall. Now this space is about 4 inches, so you can put some pretty big pieces of veggie or fruit in here, like even a butternut squash does a great job in this. So that's it. You put it in and you start spinning. Now our spiralizer is the only one in the market that works with your own gravity. Most of them work from side to side. So this, you just put a little bit of weight, not a whole lot of pressure, just put a little bit and you'll start seeing the noodles come out. See how easy that is? Now, a lot of times you'll end up with a very long piece, and if you do, all you do is take a knife and cut that into the length you want, or just take our kitchen shears and chop those up. Let me show you how easy this is. Pretty cool, huh? So the other thing I like to do with this, I mean, if you think about it, you can do just about anything that will fit in here. Onions do a great job for onions, for fajitas. Apples, and put that on a little ice cream. That's another idea. Now when you pull this out, you will end up with a little disc left, about a ½ inch piece. I just usually chop it like this and throw it in, and it all cooks in. So what I do with these is we have a zucchini carbonara recipe that is really good. Another quick night meal is to saute these a little bit, put you some marinara sauce seasoned up, and you have like a pasta, and it's really good. So here is the Veggie Spiralizer. Oh, let me show you how to clean it. It comes apart and goes right in the dishwasher. So this base goes in the dishwasher. You can wash it by hand, but you can stick it in the dishwasher. Same here. All of this goes in the dishwasher, and it cleans up really easily. No need for you to touch the blade or to risk getting cut. Take the blade out and wash it separately.